Hi, I'm here with an update from Mod Garden. So as cities get bigger and bigger and expand, inevitably something else has to contract. Naturally, what's happening is that our green spaces, the farmlands, the organic farmers are contracting because the large factory farms are also not contracting. They're also growing at the same pace, if not faster, as the city continues to grow. So what happens there? A factory farm uses chemicals and synthetics to grow our food, but an organic farm or a farm that goes back to nature grows food in a very regenerative way and a sustainable way, and a way that sequesters carbon. Neither does an expanding city nor an expanding factory farm sequester or pull in the carbon dioxide from the air. Only a regenerative and sustainable farm, organic farm, is able to do that. What's the difference? The difference is in the soil. The difference is in what is in the soil that is able to sequester and pull that carbon in. Something to think about. Thank you.